Hi everyone, I'm Rocky and in this session I'm going to tell you some of the common words which we people generally mispronounce while speaking. Okay, so let's begin with those words. Number one word, video. Generally and most oftenly हम सारे के सारे persons क्या करते हैं, कैसे बोलते हैं video को? We say I want to watch that video. Is it correct pronunciation of video? I'm sorry, that pronunciation is wrong. The correct pronunciation of video word is video. Video. So you should say, I want to watch that video. Okay, so the correct pronunciation of this word is video. 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 ठीक है? Coming to the next word which is bury. हम कैसे से pronounce करते हैं? Bury. हम क्या कहते हैं इसे? I want to bury that glass. I want to bury you up. Okay, हम क्या कहते हैं? And what is the meaning of bury? Bury का मतलब है to put or hide underground. किसी चीज को छुपाना या रखना underground. Okay. तो हम इसके pronunciation कैसे करते हैं? Bury. But this is the wrong pronunciation of this word. इस वर्ड का जो pronunciation है वो है bury. Okay? Do bury that sack in the ground. Okay? Do bury yourself in the ground. Okay? So the correct pronunciation of bury is bury. Correct? Coming to the next one. COMMENT. That boy commented on me. That boy commented on me. But actually, the pronunciation of COMMENT is not commented. It is commented. That boy commented on me. Okay? So, the correct pronunciation of this word is commented, not commented. Okay? So, comment, not comment. Okay? Coming to the next word, EXTEMPORE. Few months back, me too, that means I, Rakhi, was also pronouncing the wrong pronunciation of this word. I was also saying extempore. I went for the extempore. But later on, I felt that the pronunciation which I am making of this word is totally wrong. तो इस वर्ड की जो करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन है इट इज एक्सटेम्परी. एक्सटेम्परी. आई वेंट फॉर एक्सटेम्परी. मतलब पता है आपको एक्सटेम्परी का? दैट मीन्स समथिंग सेड ऑन द स्पॉट या समथिंग टू बी से ऑन द स्पॉट. ठीक है? जैसे अब हम कहीं डिबेट में जाते हैं एंड ऑन द स्पॉट हमें कुछ मिलता है जस्ट टू से ब्लंटली ऑन दिस टॉपिक ऑन द स्पॉट, तो उसे हम कहते हैं extempore. Okay, it is not extempore. Something to be said on the spot. It is extempore. Okay, not extempore. Okay, so it is extempore. How will write it as? How will pronounce? Extempore. Okay, it is so. Coming to the next one, TOMB. Let me take to Humayun Tom. Is it correct pronunciation? I don't feel like इसकी correct pronunciation है. Let me take to you at Humayun tomb. It is tomb, not Tom. ठीक है? बचपन से बुक्स के अंदर टीचर्स हम सब मम्मी पापा सब हमें यही कहते हैं Humayun Tom. It is not Tom. It is tomb. It is tomb. So let's have a walk around Humayun tomb. Okay, so it is Humayun tomb. Next one, MONKS. क्या हम प्रोनाउंस करते हैं जनरली इसको? Monks. Who are monks? It is the wrong pronunciation of monks. It is monks. So who are monks? Monks are the member of religious community. ठीक है? So जो correct pronunciation है MONKS की, it is monks. It is monks. MUNKS. Monks. Don't say ever monks. It is monks. Coming to the next one. BANQUET. अरे यार उस बैंकेट हॉल में पार्टी है, ऐसे ही बोलते हैं ना, अरे यार आज उस बैंकेट हॉल में जाना है मुझे. सो डू यू रियली थिंक द प्रोनाउंसिएशन ऑफ BNQET is banquet? No, the correct pronunciation of this word is banquet. I went to that banquet hall for the party. Today there is party in that banquet hall. It is banquet. Banquet, not banquet. It is banquet. Banquet hall. Okay? Coming to the next one. EPITOME. इस वर्ड का मतलब क्या है? सबसे पहले तो वो जान लीजिए. इस वर्ड का मतलब है a person or a thing that is a perfect example of a particular quality or type. ठीक है? A person or a thing which is a perfect example of a particular quality or type. Okay. अब इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन क्या होगी? EPITOME. इसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन होगी अपिच्छामी. अपिच्छामी. Its pronunciation is अपिच्छामी. 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 Okay. So इस वर्ड की जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन होगी it will be अपिच्छामी. Okay. It will be अपिच्छामी. अपिच्छामी. Okay. अपिच्छामी. ठीक है. So these were the words which are generally mispronounced while having English conversation. But now I think आप सभी ने समझ लिया होगा इन सब वर्ड्स की एक्चुअली क्या प्रोनाउंसिएशन है और अब आगे से आप इनकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन को गलत नहीं करेंगे. You will be speaking the correct pronunciation of these words I have written over here. So it was all about it and it's me Rakhi saying you all goodbye.